big right now.
Where's Carly?
He's over there.
I started the video.
Well, this dog's gonna be put to rest. Stay there, Carly. I kill you.
As you can see, there's a water bucket right there. And a dog
Hey,
right
Carly,
there. This mess.
time for a shower.
Pull!
Wait,
Not
wait,
directly
get a
under
cooler.
it.
Get a cooler. Aw, it adds more water in here. No worries.
The dog is afraid. Senorita dog is afraid.
You know she can jump out of that.
Senorita dog is afraid. Afraid, I tell you, afraid. Senorita.
I don't see any rooms getting cleaned
Hey,
up.
who wants a shower?
Look, he might want to move out of the way.
Doggy, want a shower?
No!
No, come on.
Oh!
You just got soaked.
Let's go. It's time to be clean, guys.
Okay, everyone's coming in anyway.
Let's go.